Sawubona mngani, welcome to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. My name is Mama Thando. Mama Thando. That is Mama Thando. And what's your name? I'm so glad to meet you, and I am so excited that I'm going to be teaching you my language, isiZulu. Well, mngani, let's sing our hello song, Sawubona. First, listen to me sing it to you, and then we can sing it together. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Now, I'll tell you the words of the song and then we can sing it together. Sawubona, sawubona. That's isiZulu for hello. And then I continue to say, unjani mngani? How are you, friend? Sondela, come close. Hlala phansi, sit down. Sifunde mngani. And let's learn, my friend. Before we continue, let's find out how everyone is doing. And then we can say how we are feeling. We'll listen to our feelings song, and then you can hear which feeling or emotion you are feeling this morning. Now, put on your listening ears. Imizwa yethu. Imizwa yethu. Mina nginemizwa, wena unemizwa, yena unemizwa, bona banemizwa, sonke sinemizwa. Mina nginjani, ngabe ngiyaphila, ngabe ngidumele, ngabe ngikhathele, ngabe nginjani. Mina ngiyaphila, ngabe wena unjani, ngabe uyaphila, ngabe uyagula, ngabe ujabule. Wena uyaphila, yena unjani. Ngabe udangele, ngabe ukhathele, ngabe uneme. Yena uyaphila, bona banjani. Ngabe bayaphila, ngabe bayakhala, ngabe bathokozile. Bona bayaphila, thina sinjani. Ngabe siyaphila, ngabe sineme, ngabe sijabule. Thina sijabule, thina sijabule. That was a lot of fun. And so, unjani mngani, how are you, friend? Oh, I'm glad to hear that. I am feeling very well today. Ngiyaphila, ngiyaphila. I am fine, I am well, I am actually doing great, Ngani. Now that we know each other's names, I am Mama Thando and I know your name, we've now become friends, isn't it? Well, the word for friend in isiZulu is umngani. 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 That's a friend. And now we are friends. I'm so glad to be your friend. So I will call you Mngani. Mngani, that is friend. And you can call me Mama Thando. Mama Thando. Now, behind me is our isiZulu classroom board. And this is where we have everything that we are going to learn and other things you can't see right now. But this is where we focus every day that we meet, Monday to Friday. Our phrase for this week is izinsuku zesonto. Izinsuku zesonto. And it means days of the week in English. Now, I'm going to say it slowly and put the words here on the screen for you to be able to repeat after me. isiZulu, isiZulu, izinsuku, nto, nto, zesonto. Now repeat after me. Izinsuku, izinsuku. Halala mngani, that was great. Next word, so, nto, so, nto, zesonto. Great job, mngani. Halala, I'm so proud of you. Now, days of the week in isiZulu, they are actually written right behind me. Now, we are going to go through each and every word so that we get to know them and become familiar. You don't have to know them all today, no. You're going to learn them each and every day that we meet. Now, let's get started. I need something to point with. In isiZulu, to point is khomba, khomba. So when we do this, siyakhomba. Yeah? Now, I need something to help me do that. Where are you, my pointer? There you are. That's my pointer. Yeah. Now, this is my trusted friend, my pointer. This finger points. Yeah? It's your index finger, your pointing finger. Can you also do that for me? Yeah, that's pointing. Komba. So now let me move out of the way so you can see the words on the board. We'll start with our phrase of the week. Izinsuku, that's days. Izinsuku. And then zesonto, of the week. Izinsuku zesonto, days of the week. Let's start with Sunday. I will read all of them and then I'm going to repeat each one by one and ask you to repeat after me. Now, here we go. Isonto, isonto. uMsombuluko, uMsombuluko. uLwesibili, uLwesibili. uLwesithathu, uLwesithathu. uLwesine, uLwesine. uLwesihlanu, uLwesihlanu. uMgqibelo, uMgqibelo. Now, that's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, I would like you to repeat after me. I will say the word one time and then point at you to say your turn. Now, here we go. uMsombuluko, uLwesibili, uLwesithathu, uLwesine, uLwesihlanu, uMgqibelo. Great job, Mngani. But you know what I enjoy doing so much? Singing. Singing helps us to learn easier. So let's sing the days of the week together. I need both my hands free for this one. So our song, we can clap, we can snap, we can stomp our feet. You do whatever feels great to you. Now, here is the song. Isonto uMsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Now, let's sing it together. Isonto uMsombuluko, lwesibili uLwesithathu, lwesine uLwesihlanu, kube uMgqibelo, izinsuku, 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 izinsuku. Great! Hello, Mngani. That was amazing. Now, let's move on to the next part of our board. It says namhlanje. The word, repeat after me. Namhlanje. Namhlanje. Do you hear that M? Namhlanje. That is today in isiZulu. So, what day is it today? Yesterday was Sunday, isonto. So what day is today? Let's go down here and see. Today is uMsombuluko. So we now need to make a whole sentence and say, today is Monday. Let's make this sentence. Let me show you how. There it is. Namhlanje uMsombuluko. Namhlanje uMsombuluko. Namhlanje uMsombuluko. So, let's say that one more time. Namhlanje uMsombuluko. So, if anyone asks you, uLwesingaki, namhlanje, what day is it today? You will then say, uMsombuluko. Now let's sing that. uMsombuluko, 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 namhlanje. uMsombuluko, 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 namhlanje. Yeah! Great singing, Mngani. It's Monday today. uMsombuluko. Now, let's move on with our board. Wait a minute. It's not on the board. Okay, what do we do next? Oh, I know. What is the weather? Linjani izulu. Linjani izulu. What's the weather? Like where you are, Mngani? Yeah? Let's sing the song to ask what's the weather like. Linjani, linjani, izulu namhlanje. liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje. Let's sing that one more time. Linjani, linjani, izulu namhlanje. Liyabanda, liyashisa, linjani namhlanje. What's the weather like where you live, Mngani? Go to the window and check. I'll be right here waiting for you. Da-da-dee, da-da-dum, da-da-dee, da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Oh, you're back. USombuluko. Well, what's the weather like where you live? Oh, now let me tell you what the weather is like here, where Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom is. Let me look through my window. Let's look through the imaginary window together. Ta-da! Ah, look at that. It's so hot today. Whoa! Now, we need to put on our wall the picture of today's weather. Now, I'm looking for a picture for today's weather. Please help me. Is this the picture for today's weather? No, it's not. This is cloudy and raining and lightning. No. Why is this the right picture for today's weather? No. This is snowing. Is this the right picture for today's weather? Yebo. Yes, it is. This is the right picture for today's weather. Now let's put that on our board. There we go. Namhlanje liyashisa. Namhlanje liyashisa. Mngani, I want to introduce you to a friend of mine. And I'm sure he's going to become your friend too. And here's my friend. uAndile. uAndile. This is Andile. That's his name. Now, Andile, let's put you on the board. And there we go. Andile is now on the board. Now, Andile needs to dress the right way, the correct way for today's weather. Can you help him? Okay, let's see. The weather today is hot. Namuhla liyashisa. So, what will Andile wear? Andile says he wants to start with a cap. Okay, that's weird. I never start getting dressed with putting on a cap first, but anyway, let's do it. A cap in isiZulu is I-E-B-C. That is I-E-B-C. Repeat after me. I-E-B-C. Great job. Now, there are two caps here. There is a black and blue cap, and there is also this red and white cap. Which one should he wear today? Did you say red and white? That's the one I'm choosing too. Great job. Now let's put it on Andile's head. Cool stuff. Now let's find Andile a t-shirt to match. Here is a t-shirt, a red t-shirt. A t-shirt in isiZulu is isikipa. Isikipa. Iskipa. Repeat after me. Isikipa. Great job. Now, this one is red, which is really cool because then it can match with Andile's cap. Now, let's put it on him. Oga Andile, oga, oga. There he goes. He's wearing his t-shirt and his cap. Ikepisi nesikipa. But he doesn't have any shorts or pants on. Let's find pants or shorts for Andile. Okay, it's hot, so it should be shorts. A pair of shorts in isiZulu is isikindi. 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 Repeat after me. Isikindi. Great job. Isikindi. This is a white t-shirt. This is a white pair of shorts. Isikindi esimhlophe. Now, Andile, put on your shorts, my friend. Great job. He's looking really, really cool, doesn't he? Yeah. Now, I don't think he should go out and play with no shoes on. He needs to find shoes to wear. Yeah? Okay. Andile, which shoes do you want to wear? Should we ask our friends to help you choose? Okay. Now, shoes in isiZulu are izicathulo. 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 Repeat after me. Izicathulo. Great! Halala mngani. So, we've got two pairs of shoes here, izicathulo. Which one should we choose for Andile? The white and orange shoes or the white shoes? Huh? Did you say izicathulo ezimhlophe, white shoes? Great stuff. I like these ones too because they match with his outfit. Good job. Ngiyabonga mngani. Thank you, my friend, for helping me dress Andile the right way for today's weather. Now, let's move on to the next part of our board. We are going to learn how to say numbers 0 to 9 in isiZulu. Now, listen to me very well so that I can tell you the numbers in isiZulu, and then you can repeat after me. Iqanda, iqanda. Kunye, kunye. Kubili, kubili. Kuthathu, kuthathu. Kune, kune. Kuhlanu, kuhlanu. Isithupha, isithupha. Isikhombisa, isikhombisa. Isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalombili. Isishiyagalolunye, isishiyagalolunye. Great job. Now, let's ask you to repeat after me. Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalolunye. Great stuff! Halala mngani. You did that so well. Clap for yourself. Shaya izandla. Great! Now, I would like us to sing numbers 0 to 9 in isiZulu. Will you sing with me? Great! Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Bala kanye nami. Iqanda. Iqanda. Kunye. Kunye. Kubili. Kubili. Kuthathu. Kuthathu. Kune. Kune. Kuhlanu. Kuhlanu. Isithupha. Isithupha. Isikhombisa. Isikhombisa. Isishiyagalombili. Isishiyagalombili. Isishiyagalolunye. Isishiyagalolunye. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. Izinombolo ngesiZulu. That was fun, Ngani. Moving right along with our lesson. The sound for this week is a. Repeat after me. A. 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 There it is. The letter A in English. It is a in isiZulu. Now let's learn a few words that have the sound a. Let's see. Amanzi. That's water. Amanzi. Amanzi. Repeat after me. Amanzi. 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 Great job. Halala mngani. Let's learn another word that has the sound a. Abantu. 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 Abantu are people. Now repeat after me. Abantu. 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 Great job, Mngani. You did great today. Now, let's move right along to the color for this week. This week's color is bo, mvu, bo, mvu, bo, mvu. To say the color red in isiZulu, we say umbala obomvu. Umbala obomvu. Now repeat after me. Umbala obomvu. Great job. Umbala obomvu. The color red. Now, Mngani, we did so much today. We sang, we learned the phrase of the week, we learned the days of the week, we told each other what the weather is like today, we helped dress andile for today's weather, and we learned the numbers 0 to 9 in isiZulu, the sound for this week, and how to say today is namhlanje uMsombuluko, today is Monday. And lastly, we learned how to say the color red, umbala obomvu. Now, mngani, we've come to the end of our lesson for today. So, before you go, let's get those wiggles out before we say salagahle to each other. Now, let's sing and dance. I'm tired. There was a lot of dancing. Wow. Now, let's meet here at Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom tomorrow. And let's learn more isiZulu. Salagahle mngani.